If you're sick of having this, maybe it's poop water, maybe it's not debate when setting up your sewer pipes, then we finally found a solution. Let's hope it's just water.
Oh. Just water. All right, so we were sick and tired of having water build up in our cap. So what we got is one of these valves, and what this does is it will block the water from getting to your cap. So when you go to take off your cap, there is no water. And then what happens once you get your sewer hooked up, then you can open it and then have normal flow. Let's test it out. So step one is we got to take our cap off. There's a little bit of residual in there, and that's what we're going to try to avoid in the future. This is my handy dandy wrench. I'm obviously hungry. Needs a little encouragement. Luckily, it's just gray water because that's what we did last. Step two, attach this side to the pipe with your valve closed. Don't worry, it's just gray water. All right, so we'll twist that on, just like your lid. Now, this is on there. So this just acts as a gate valve. So even with the lid off, you have a protector behind there. So any water buildup while traveling will get stuck behind that valve. And then your lid will no longer be filled with liquids when you get to your site. So then you can put on your sewer hose before you open the valve. So if there is any residual water, you won't be dealing with that. You will then have your hose connected by the time you open that. So we'll see if we like it. So how this works is first you get to your site, you take your cap off. There's a valve right here. You hook your sewer pipe on, and then you open up the valve. Now, if there's any residual buildup, it'll be behind that valve, not in your cap. So when you're hooking your pipe up, there is no excess spillage there. Then when you go to travel, you want to shut the valve, take your sewer pipes off, and then put your cap on. And any buildup during travel will get stuck behind that valve, not on your cap. So you don't have a lot of that excess spillage as you see below me here. All right, so I will link this in the description below for you guys. If you're interested, please give us a like and subscribe if you like the content. Bye.
Thanks for watching. Until next time.
Let's hit the road, Jack.